Hello, 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 beautiful people. I am John, your friendly English guide, your slow-talking, easy-speaking, always smiling friend. I love coffee, I love travel, and today, I love Disney World. Welcome back to the channel.
And I am Bella, the one who actually planned this whole Disney trip, bought the tickets, packed the bags, and still had to wake John up this morning. Yes, I am that friend. Welcome, everyone. Let's learn English together, the fun way.
Okay, I was only 5 minutes late.
John, it was 40 minutes.
40 minutes is close to 5.
No, it is not.
Anyway, today we are at Disney World, the most magical place on Earth. Say it with me, everyone. The most magical place on Earth.
We are so excited to share this day with you. And remember, we speak slowly, we speak clearly, we use simple words because this channel is for you, the English learner. So relax, listen, and enjoy.
Bella, look! I can see the gates. I can see the castle.
Oh my goodness, it is so beautiful. The castle is pink and white and tall.
I feel like a child again.
You are a child, John.
Ha, maybe a little. Okay, everyone, let's learn some words first.
Great idea. First word, gate. G-A-T-E. Gate. A gate is the entrance, the door to enter a place. We are standing at the gate of Disney World.
Second word, castle. C-A-S-T-L-E. Castle. A castle is a very big, beautiful building, like a palace, like a king's home. The Disney Castle is in the center of the park.
Third word, magical. M-A-G-I-C-A-L. Magical. Magical means full of magic, full of wonder, something special. Disney World is a magical place.
Okay, now we enter. Show your ticket, Bella.
I have the tickets. I always have the tickets, because if you had the tickets, we would lose them.
That is probably true.
Oh, wow, John, look at everything. There are so many people. There are balloons and flowers and music.
And the smell. Do you smell that? It smells like popcorn and cotton candy.
I love that smell. It smells like happiness.
That is beautiful, Bella. Everyone, when you walk into Disney World, you feel something special. You feel happy. You feel excited. You feel like anything is possible.
That is the magic of Disney. Now, let's talk about the map.
Ah, yes. Every visitor gets a map. A map shows you where things are. Look at the map. The rides are on the left.
There are different areas in Disney World. We call them lands. For example, Fantasyland, Tomorrowland, and Adventureland.
Each land has a different theme, a different feeling. Fantasyland feels like a fairy tale. Tomorrowland feels like the future.
And Adventureland feels like a jungle.
Which one do you want to go first, Bella?
Fantasyland, because I am a princess.
And I am also a princess.
Let's go.
Okay, everyone, we are now in Fantasyland, and we are standing in line. L-I-N-E, line. When many people wait for something, they stand in a line. The line for this ride is very long.
How long is the wait, John?
The sign says 45 minutes.
45 minutes?
Hey, remember when I was 40 minutes late this morning?
Do not compare yourself to a Disney ride, John.
Okay. While we wait, let's learn more words. Ride. R-I-D-E. A ride is an attraction, a moving experience. Some rides are slow and calm. Some rides are fast and scary.
Queue, Q-U-E-U, is another word for line. British people say queue. Americans say line. Both are correct.
The queue for the roller coaster is 1 hour long.
Oh, roller coasters. Oh, I love roller coasters.
I do not love roller coasters.
Bella, they're so fun.
They are terrifying, John. Going up, and then falling down. No, thank you. Okay. We will do the gentle rides first.
Gentle, Gentle, means soft, slow, not scary. This is a gentle ride. It is good for children.
And also good for Bella.
Correct, and also good for Bella.
Oh, Bella, look! It's Mickey Mouse!
Oh, wow, Mickey Mouse is right there.
Everyone, this is so exciting! At Disney World, you can meet the characters. You can take photos with them.
Character, Character, is a person or animal from a story or movie. Mickey Mouse is a character. Cinderella is a character.
Autograph, Autograph. When a famous person signs their name, that is an autograph. At Disney, characters sign autographs for children.
It's so cute. Look at that little girl. She's hugging Mickey. She looks so happy.
Okay, I am going to hug Mickey too.
John, you are a grown man.
I am a grown man who loves Mickey Mouse. Excuse me.
He's actually going. He's actually hugging Mickey right now. Okay, I respect it. I am also going.
That was amazing. Mickey Mouse hugged me back, Bella. He hugged me back.
It was very sweet, I will not lie. Now I am very hungry.
Me too. Let's get food. At Disney World, the food is so special. There are many restaurants and food stalls.
Food stall is a small shop that sells food outside. You can walk and eat at the same time.
I see turkey legs. Big, giant, smoky turkey legs. That is a Disney World tradition.
Tradition, Tradition, is something people do every time, every year, every visit. Eating a turkey leg at Disney World is a tradition.
I also want cotton candy and a Mickey-shaped ice cream bar.
John, we cannot eat all of that.
Challenge accepted.
That was not a challenge, that was a warning.
Okay, let's sit down and eat. Everyone, lunchtime is also rest time. Rest. R-E-S-T. To rest means to stop and relax. Disney World is a big park. You walk a lot, so resting is very important.
Your feet will hurt, your legs will be tired, but your heart will be full.
Oh, that is beautiful, Bella.
I have my moments.
John, the parade is starting.
Parade. P-A-R-A-D-E. A parade is when people and floats move down the street, and everyone watches and cheers.
The Disney parade is so colorful. There are floats, big decorated moving platforms. There are dancers. There's music. All the Disney characters are in the parade.
Look, there is Cinderella on our carriage, and there is Buzz Lightyear, and Simba from The Lion King.
This is making me emotional. I feel like a little girl again.
Now who is the child?
Both of us. We are both children.
Yes, and it is wonderful. Everyone, let's learn parade words. Float, a decorated vehicle in a parade. Confetti, small pieces of colored paper thrown in the air. Cheer, to shout happily, to express joy loudly.
The crowd cheered when Mickey Mouse appeared. Can you repeat that? The crowd cheered when Mickey Mouse appeared.
Beautiful sentence, Bella. Beautiful sentence. Bella, this is the best part.
The fireworks.
The fireworks.
Every night at Disney World, the sky becomes a painting. Colors, lights, explosions of beauty.
Fireworks are lights that explode in the sky. They are colorful, they are loud, they are beautiful. The fireworks at Disney World are the best in the world.
The castle lights up. Pink, purple, gold, blue. It looks like a dream.
Everyone around us is quiet, just watching, just feeling. This is the moment. This is Disney World.
I think I'm crying a little.
Me too, Bella. Me too.
Don't tell anyone.
I will tell everyone.
John!
What a magical day. We walked through the gates. We rode the rides. We met Mickey Mouse. We ate turkey legs and cotton candy. We watched the parade. And we cried at the fireworks.
We are not ashamed.
Not even a little. Okay, everyone, let's review the words we learned today.
Gate, the entrance to a place. Castle, a large, beautiful building. Magical, full of wonder and magic. Map, a picture that shows you where things are.
Ride, an attraction at a theme park. Line or queue, when people wait in order. Character, a person or animal from a story. Tradition, something done every time, every visit.
Parade, a celebration where floats and dancers move through the street. Float, a decorated vehicle in a parade. Fireworks, colorful lights that explode in the night sky. Rest, to stop and relax.
How many words did you remember? Write your answer in the comments below.
Yes, we love reading your comments. You make this channel feel like a community, a family, our English family.
Okay, my friends, before we go, I have something very important to say. Are you ready?
Very important. Please listen carefully.
If you are watching this video and you are learning English and you are enjoying this story, then this channel is for you.
We make these stories every week. Slow English, easy English, fun English. Stories about travel, food, daily life, and adventures.
All you need to do is press that red subscribe button. It is right there. You can see it. Press it. Go on, press it now.
And press the bell icon too. The bell means you get a notification, a message every time we post a new video, so you never miss a story.
Notification. Notification. A notification is a small message that says, "Hey, new video is here."
Also, like this video if you enjoyed it. A like tells us, John and Bella, we want more.
And share this video with one friend, just one friend, who is also learning English. Help them find this channel, because good things should be shared.
Share, S-H-A-R-E. To share means to give something to another person. Share this video. Share this story. Share the learning.
We have one small homework for you today. In the comments, write this sentence.
If I went to Disney World, I would visit blank. Fill in the blank. Which land would you visit? Fantasyland, Tomorrowland, Adventureland? Write it below. We read every comment. We really do. John reads them at breakfast.
With my coffee. Every morning. Your comments make my day better.
So thank you. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for watching. Thank you for learning. Thank you for being here.
This is John.
This is Bella.
And this was A Day at Disney World. See you in the next story.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.